Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the mirror reachable and safe. Disconnect the battery negative terminal and wait 1 minute to prevent shorting the mirror motor and airbags. Use a trim pry tool to pop off the interior access cover behind the mirror, then remove the 3 mounting screws with a 10 mm socket or T25 Torx if needed. Once the screws are loosened, gently pull the mirror assembly toward you and unplug the electrical connector. Make sure to note clip orientation before fully removing the mirror. With the old mirror mostly free, support it with one hand while you remove the remaining nuts. This prevents dropping and bending the mount. Transfer any harness clips, foam gaskets, or paint shields to the new mirror so seals and fitment remain correct. Plug the electrical connector into the replacement, then reconnect the battery briefly to test motor movement, mirror heating, and turn signal function. Make sure the glass moves smoothly and the heater warms. Once confirmed, disconnect battery and prepare to reattach securely. Reposition the new mirror on the studs, feed the harness into the door, and hand start the mounting nuts so the mirror sits perfectly flush. Tighten nuts to hand firm plus a small quarter turn. Do not over-torque to avoid warping the door skin. Reconnect battery, operate functions again, then reinstall the door panel and access cover, making sure clips and gaps line up. If the motor or heater doesn't work, first recheck the connector pins for a bent pin, and then inspect fuse 15A under the dash before assuming the mirror is defective.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.